All right, the first thing we're going to do with the EdenPURE Oxileaf Laundry Kit is unbox it. We're going to go ahead and open it up and show you what's inside here. There's a long box on the one side. It contains most of your parts, your warranty card. You need to fill that out and send it back. You have the hose and the screws for drywall installation. There's the actual unit, along with a manual and the quick start guide / template, which is pretty important. We'll get into that a little more here in a second. And your power supply. The quick start guide comes with a template. You got to punch out these little holes, and these holes line up right exactly with the unit on the back to where it mounts. I like to just tape it on one side, grab a level it, and then put a piece of tape on the other side. And then you're just going to drill the holes out with a drill bit a little smaller than the plastic wall anchors provided. Pull the template off. Just push your anchors in, nice and flush with the wall. Then you're going to install the screws, which are provided. Leave them stick out of the wall like 3/8 of an inch. I'm running my cord off to the right, and you can run it off to the left as well. Either way, you just plug it in whichever way you want it to run and press it down into the groove that it's made for, and then just hang your unit up. Next, you're going to take the cold water supply off your washing machine and install it to the far right side, and then use the hose provided, install it here, that's your supply line, to the washer, and then just take the other end and hook it up where you took the cold water supply off your washing machine. Plug the unit in, it'll beep, light up, then you can hit the power button, and then you have your controls for ozone, high flow, low flow, washing, normal use, washing, laundry mode, and power button. And then you're all good to go.